Before we begin, take a moment and subscribe to Daily English Dose. This channel is for people who don't want complicated English, but clear English. If you have ever felt that people don't understand you, even when you know the words, this session is for you. Today we're talking about habits for clearer speaking. Simple habits I truly wish I had known sooner. Not tricks, not shortcuts, just daily habits that quietly change how you speak. Clear speaking is not about accent. It is not about sounding like a native speaker. It is about being understood the first time you speak. Many learners think clarity comes from learning more vocabulary or grammar. But clarity actually comes from how you speak, not what you know. I learned this late, and that's why today's lesson matters. The first habit for clear speaking is slowing down your speech. Most people speak fast when they feel nervous. Speed creates pressure, and pressure creates unclear sounds. Clear speakers speak slightly slower than normal. Not slow like a robot, calm like a confident person. When you slow down, your mouth has time to form sounds properly, and your listener has time to understand you. Right now, notice your breathing. If your breath is shallow, your speech will be unclear. A simple habit is breathing before speaking. One quiet breath before a sentence can completely change how your voice sounds. Calm breath equals calm speech. Another habit I wish I knew earlier is opening my mouth more when I speak. Many learners speak English with a closed mouth because they are shy or afraid of mistakes. But English needs mouth movement. Clear speakers move their lips and jaw naturally. Practicing in front of a mirror for just 2 minutes a day can dramatically improve clarity. You don't need to shout. You don't need to exaggerate. Just allow your mouth to move freely. This small habit removes mumbling. The next habit is practicing sounds, not words. Many people memorize sentences, but their pronunciation doesn't improve. Clear speakers practice difficult sounds slowly. Sounds like TH, R, L, and V need attention. Spending 5 minutes a day on sounds improves your speech more than memorizing 10 new words. For example, instead of repeating long sentences, repeat one sound inside different words. This trains your mouth. Over time, your speech becomes automatic and clear. Another powerful habit is listening to yourself. Most learners never listen to their own voice. Recording yourself once a day and listening calmly, without judgment, is life-changing. You start noticing where your speech breaks, where sounds disappear, and where you rush. You don't need to like your voice. You just need to understand it. One habit that changed my clarity completely was finishing my sentences. Many learners drop the ending of words. They swallow sounds because they want to finish quickly. Clear speakers finish words and sentences fully. This makes speech sound confident and professional. Even a small pause at the end of a sentence improves clarity. Another habit is daily speaking. Not weekly, not someday. Clear speaking comes from frequency, not length. 5 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week. Daily speaking trains consistency, and consistency builds clarity. You don't need a partner. You don't need confidence. You just need a habit. Reading out loud is another habit I wish I had taken seriously earlier. Reading silently helps vocabulary. Reading out loud helps clarity. When you read out loud, your mouth practices English structure naturally. 2 paragraphs a day is enough. Don't rush. Don't perform. Just read. Clear speakers also pause naturally. They don't rush to fill silence. Silence is not weakness. Silence gives your words power. Practicing short pauses while speaking improves clarity and confidence at the same time. Another habit is speaking with intention. Instead of trying to sound perfect, focus on being understood. When your goal changes, your speech changes. I used to chase fluency, but clarity gave me fluency naturally. Let's slow down again. Clear speaking feels calm. If your mind is calm, your speech follows. If you build even 2 of these habits into your daily routine, your English will sound clearer within weeks. Not because you learned more, but because you spoke better. Your comment activity today is simple. Write 1 habit from today that you will start practicing daily. Subscribe to Daily English Dose for daily speaking practice. And remember, clear English is a habit, not a talent.